For the cleanest and freshest filtered water from your Samsung refrigerator, it's important to change the water filter. It's a good idea to replace the water filter every 6 months. When the Replace Filter message appears on your screen, it's time to change the water filter. Begin by shutting off the water supply valve. Next, dispense the remaining water in the line. This will make it easier to remove the filter. Then find the water filter. Location will vary based on your refrigerator model. Remove the old filter by turning it counterclockwise to unlock. Pull it straight out, keeping it horizontal to minimize any leaking water. Install the new filter by pushing it straight into the housing and turning it clockwise. You'll know it's locked in place when the lock symbol lines up with the arrow. You can now turn the water supply back on. After installing the new filter, run water through the dispenser for about 7 minutes. This will help flush air out of the system and prevent dripping. Oh, and don't forget to reset the filter indicator in the Fridge Manager app. And you're all set! Be sure to check out www.samsung.com/waterfilters to learn more on how you can subscribe and save and receive automatic refills.